lot of you guys know that I bought Schmodified's old Lotus Evora that he recently replaced, and it has a blown engine. This is the exact car that had that insane catastrophic mechanical failure where the flywheel detached and came through the firewall and into the back seat of the car, and the damage was pretty insane. So before he sold it to me, he did replace the transmission and install a supercharger, but it still didn't run. Before he sold me the car officially, he did a compression test and discovered that cylinder 5 was not getting compression. So let's talk about what that means and what I've decided to do with the engine. So cylinder 5 isn't getting compression because it is getting blow-by, which means that the piston rings or piston landings, as he explained it to me, are probably pretty wrecked. Now, typically this causes damage to the cylinder wall. So depending on exactly how much damage there is to the cylinder walls determines what the machinist can do to fix it. So we can either replace the engine, which luckily for me, this is a 2GR FE engine that you find in a lot of Toyotas. Or I pull the engine myself, disassemble it, send out the block to our fantastic machinist and see if he can hone out or re-sleeve the cylinder. Since he did install the supercharger prior to me buying it, I will probably go in and do forged rods and pistons and just mess with the engine a little bit. This will be my first engine rebuilds pretty much on my own, so stay tuned as I document the entire process of rebuilding my Lotus Evora here and buying new gas springs.